Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're gonna be talking about how to control the speed of this 12-volt DC motor with Arduino Uno using potentiometer and the motor driver L298N. So let's get started. So I'm going to move on and I'm going to connect the enable pin of the motor driver to pin 9 of the Arduino Uno. Why pin 9? Because pin 9 is able to provide PWM signal to control the speed of the DC motor. Now this wire is to be connected to input 1 of the DC of the motor driver, and it is going also to pin pin 6 of the Arduino Uno. So with input 1 is to move forward, so the DC motor is going to move to rotate forward, and input 2 input 2 from the motor driver is to be connected to pin 5 of the Arduino Uno, like that. Now here this black wire is the ground, the ground of the DC motor, and the red wire I think is 5 volts, 5 volts from, so plus 5 volts. So as we're gonna be feeding the motor driver with 12 volts, so the power supply for Arduino board will come from the motor driver, through these 2 wires. So the black wire, I'm going to put that in here, the in, because I'm going to power the board, the Arduino board from the motor driver. So the in and the black wire to ground, like that. Now when we move the shaft of the Arduino of this potentiometer, by turning the shaft of this potentiometer, we change the speed of the DC motor, through PWM signal, here, guys. So the potentiometer is going to give us the analog value, and this analog value will be converted into a PWM signal. So now I'm going to connect the red wire to 5 volts here. I think it is here, and the black wire to ground, like that, and the output output. Okay, the middle pin, okay, should go to A0. Okay, A0. Okay, like that. Okay, now the two wires left, okay, is for powering the motor driver. Okay, the motor driver. So the power supply will be 12 volts. Okay, why 12 volts? Because with here a 12 volt DC motor. Okay, so like that, okay. So now we're gonna make an arrangement, like we're gonna put this stuff like okay, I think it's okay. Okay, the position of this stuff. Okay, now is the time to show you the program. Okay, for this project. Okay, so I enable the thing is the enable pin of the motor driver. Okay, which is pin 9 of the Arduino Uno. Input 1 is pin 6 and the input 2 is pin 5. The potentiometer is pin A0. The analog pin I set to 0. The speed of the DC motor I just obey. Okay, I set it to 0. So inside void setup I said that the enable input pin of the motor driver is an output. Okay, input 2 is also an output, and input 1. So the input 2 I set it to high. Okay, and the input 1 to low. Okay, 0 volt. So input 1 is to be low. Okay, so to generate the analog value from 0 to 1023, I used analog read function. I also used map function. Okay, to control the DC motor. Now if the speed of the DC motor is less than 4, so the DC motor will not spin. Analog write function is to produce the PWM signal. Okay, on pin 9. Okay, of the Arduino Uno, or I mean across, I don't know, across pin 9, I don't know, across or on pin. So it is just to produce the PWM signal. Okay, for enable input pin. So now I'm uploading the sketch. Okay, into Arduino Uno. Okay, we gotta wait a few seconds. It's almost done. Okay, it's okay. It's done. Okay friends, we've just uploaded the program. Okay, so now if I turn the shaft of the potentiometer, if I increase the voltage, okay, the DC motor will spin. Okay, so right now I'm controlling the speed, okay, of the DC motor with potentiometer, okay, through PWM signal coming out of pin 9, okay, of the Arduino Uno, okay, into or two enable pin of the DC motor driver. Okay, if I increase, if the analog value okay increases, the DC, the speed increases also. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.